Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to count by 3 until we get to 30. Okay? So when we count by 3, that means that we add 3 each time. So the first number we start with is, right, we start with 3. 3. And we add 3 more. How many do we have next? 4, 5, 6. Good. And we would keep going. Now, this might not be as easy for you as counting by 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. So, we have a song that's going to help us out. So I'll go on to YouTube. Okay. This is our counting by 3 song. We're going to count by 3 until we get to what number? 30. As the penguin counts, feel free to count along with him. I'm going to lift up my finger for each number that we say, okay? So I can keep track. We're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
3 by 3, now count with me. I said 3, 6, 9, sing it slow this time. We'll skip 2 numbers in between. Let's count up to 30. We'll start with 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Good. So yeah, I had 10 fingers up. So that means that when we add 3 10 times, so if we have 10 groups of 3, we get to 30. And that makes sense because we have 3 is our 10th digit in the number 30. And 30 is a group of 10. 30 is a group of 10. Or 30 is a 10 because we have 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. That's how much we have, okay? We're going to do it again. You can also use your fingers. Remember, we should have 10 fingers up at the end. So let's pay attention to those numbers in between too if you can.
Let's do it again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now everybody dance with me.
All right, so we get the hang of it. Now I wonder if you can use skip counting to solve this. If I had 6, oh, I'm sorry, I always forget it's the opposite. If I have 6 groups of 3, how many do I have? So I have 6 groups of 3. Now we could draw the groups out using just drawing equal groups, or we could use an array, but I want you to try to skip count. So 6 groups of 3. 3. And we add 3 each time. 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. And I can stop because I have 6 fingers up. So 6 groups of 3 give us 30. How many do we have if we had 4 groups of 3? Let's see. 4 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So remember, as long as you have these fingers, you have a fantastic tool. You always have a fantastic tool to solve a multiplication or division problem. That is why we do these group countings, to get better in those skills. Okay, good job. You just counted by 3s to the number 30.